Alright, so Takeshi double slack dismount. So I'm gonna skip everything else and just go into the dismount part. So to get into that mount, the easiest way is to go into a brother mount. You pinch this with your thumb, you roll the yo-yo over clockwise so it goes around your thumb like that, and you just throw the slack over and land the yo-yo on the front like this. It's a brother mount with an extra wrap here, but this loop is inside your index and it goes over your thumb. It's a weird mount, but basically you dismount like that, and I'll show you how to get that double slack. Alright, you get into the mount that I just told you how to do, and here's the thing. So you're pinching this, right? And when you throw over the when you roll over the yo-yo, the slack is coming around as well, but you need the slack to come over one extra rotation, and you would think that you want to kind of whip this over with your hand, but that's not how it works. You actually do not add any extra momentum, and this is why I told you about the loose pinch method. So I'm going to show this again. Watch closely. I'm going to loose pinch. As it goes around, I'm actually going to like softly let go. So I'm just going to actually keep this orientation here. I'm just going to loosely let go so the string can like slide around the pinch like that. Alright. But you don't want to completely let go, because you have to pinch it back again as you dismount. So let me show you that first. So as it goes around, I'm going to let go. See, the yo-yo is sliding down because I loosened the pinch, and as it slides down, the slack just automatically comes out, comes around one extra rotation. And that's just basically because the slack is becoming smaller, and the rotational momentum that was initially from a big slack is transferring over to a smaller slack, so it adds more speed essentially. So I pinch it as it goes around, loosening the pinch, and that's gonna add momentum. Let me show you that again, like that. So as that slack comes around, you're gonna pinch it again, and that leads to the next slack slap element. So after it slides down a little and the slack has gone over here, you're gonna pinch this again, and by that time you're gonna have your non-throw hand like this. So the string has to be going between your index and your middle finger, and by this time you will have this pinch back on, so the yo-yo will stop sliding down. And then as that goes over, you're gonna spread your hands apart so it slaps back, and then you're gonna land the front section of the slack into the yo-yo, and the rest is this other element. So once again, get into that setup like this. So it slid down a little, I pinched it back again so it stops sliding once the slack has gone over your throw hand. And as I do that, I insert my hand like this, and then I spread my hands apart to do the slapping motion, and then insert the front section into the gap. And the rest I'll teach you some other time.